Hi, this is Pam Didner here. I have a quick news to share with you. I will be speaking at the Content Marketing World in Cleveland, Ohio, the week of September 3rd. And this will be my 9th time speaking at that conference. I'm super excited, flattered, and honored. And I challenged myself to create a brand new speaking session for that conference and also made a lot of effort to improve the workshop materials for content marketers. And for this year, my workshop is called How to Leverage Existing Marketing Elements and the Content to Enable Your Sales Team. I will be talking about how you can use existing marketing programs creatively to support your sales team, how to build a collaboration and a communication process to activate account-based marketing, and how to evaluate your marketing content for sales and vice versa. So if you are a marketing manager or any kind of marketing manager supporting your sales team, this workshop is for you. And for my session, the title is called 5 Creative Ways Content Marketers Can Do to Better Support Their Sales Team. All right, I understand that session title is very similar to the workshop title, but I'm telling you, and I guarantee that the presentation is completely different. And for example, I will be talking about how to create messaging framework to support both sales and marketing in my session, which is something I will not be discussed in the workshop. There are many topics and tracks will be offered at this specific conference. You should go to their website and check out. If you are interested in attending, please use promo code Didner19. Again, Didner19. That is Didner19 to register. You can get $100 off the registration fee. Okay? I hope to see you at the Content Marketing World, Cleveland, Ohio, September 3rd to 6th. All right, see you there. Talk to you soon.